In this video, I am discussing 4th standard mathematics, chapter 18, solids, exercise 18.1. If you are new in this channel, subscribe the channel for more videos. Before going to exercise, see some basic concept. Cuboid. How many pieces are there in this brick? Count and say. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 5. Backward 6. There are 6 bases are there. Two adjacent bases meet in a line segment is called edge. This is edge. This part, edge. The meeting point of 3 edges is called vertex. This vertex is this. This point is called vertex. Vertex. This is edge. This is face. Face of the cuboid. Next. List any 4 things in your surrounding which resemble cuboid in shape. Suitcase, treasury, geometry box, geometry box, suitcase, etc. Or else soap, book, matchbox, etc. Next. I already showed the spaces. There are 6 spaces in cuboid. Edges, there are 12 edges. That means 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 edges and vertices 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 vertices. Cube. Make a list of any 4 objects which resemble cubicle in shape around you. Chess box. Chess box. There are 64 boxes. They are looking like square, means all shapes are in cube. Objects which resemble cube in shape, die, box, Rubik cube. Here also faces 8, edges 12, edges 12, vertices 6. Sorry. Cylinder, agarbatti, wood, PVC pipe, polyvinyl chloride pipe, or any other pipe. List some you like. They are given: agarbatti packet, powder box, dry shell, water drum, etc. Here, plane surface. This is circle, curved surface, curved edge. That means face is 3, edge 2, Vertices are no vertices here. Cone, this is cone. Examples, ice cream, cone ice cream, cone ice cream, cone ice cream. Christmas, topi, which resemble cone in shape. Example, they are given ice cream, carrot, hip hop sand. Vertex here, cone shape contains one vertex, curved surface, curved edge, flat surface. This is circle. Faces two, edge one edge is there. Okay, vertices one. This is vertex one. Next, sphere, football, which resemble sphere in shape, volleyball, cricket ball, marbles, etc. They are given cricket ball, football, marble, globe. Next, sphere, faces, one, edge, no edge, vertices, no vertices. Hmm. The difference between plane figure and solid figures. In previous class, you have learned plane figures. In this chapter, you have learned solid shapes. Identify the above figure and name them. This is triangle, triangle. This is rectangle, rectangle. This is square shape. Identify the following solids and name them. This is cuboid, cuboid, cube. This is cube. This is cylinder, cylinder. Make a list of properties of plane figure and solid figures. Uh, Properties. This is two-dimensional, 2D. This is solid figures or 3D in shape. Examples. Give examples. That also a property. Triangle, triangle, and square, rectangle, etc. This is cube, cuboid, are examples for this. Cuboid, same. List a difference between plane figures and solids. Plane figures have two-dimensional, that is length and breadth. Solid figures has three-dimensional, that means length, breadth, and height. That's why the solids are called three-dimensional. They are given. A plane figure has two dimensions, namely length and breadth. A solid figure has three dimensions, namely length, breadth, and height. A plane bangle of equal diameters of one above the other. Name the shape obtained. Shape obtained is cylinder. Name the shape obtained by arrangement of bangles one above the other in descending order as shown in figure. This is cone. Next, you have learned to draw figure and shapes by joining dot in previous class. Okay, this is triangle, triangle. This is rectangle. This is square. By joining dots, we get square. Die here. Number of pieces, 6. Shape of space, square. Number of edges, 8 edges are there. Yeah, 12 edges. Number of vertices, 8. Observe. Observe three-dimensional cube. Draw in two-dimensional form. This is cube. If we draw this cube in two-dimensional form, it look like this type. The line segment joining the group of points in a pair is called network. Network. The line segment joining the group of points in a pair is called network. See some network. Cuboid, 2 square, and all 4 are rectangle. This is triangular base prism. Network of triangular base prism. Square pyramid, network of square pyramid. In the middle, square is there. Triangular pyramid, network of triangular pyramid. All are in triangular shape. Equilateral pyramid, net of equilateral triangle. This is equilateral triangle. Exercise 18.1. Identify the plane figures and solid figures. This is solid figures. This is solid. Solid. This is plane. Circle is plane figure. This is solid. Triangle is plane figure. Cylinder is solid. Sphere is this is cell, solid. Sphere, solid. Cylinder, solid. This is pyramid, solid. Second one, write the geometrical names of these shapes. This is die, cube. Geometrical name, cube. Cuboid. This is cuboid. This is cylinder, water drum, cylinder in shape. Geometrical name, cylinder. This is also cylinder. Sorry. Wood. This is cylinder. Tomato, sphere. Geometrical name, sphere. Ice cream, cone. This is cuboid. Geometrical name is cuboid. Write whether the following statements are true or false. A cube has 8 vertices, 12 edges, and 6 faces. This is right. We saw a cube has 8 vertices, 12 edges, and 6 faces. A cuboid has 8 vertices, 6 edges. They are given 6 edges. Therefore, this is wrong. It also has 12 edges and 6 faces. A cone has one vertex, one plane surface, one curved edge, and one curved surface. A cone has one vertex, right? One plane surface. Plane surface means circle. One curved edge, right? One curved surface. This is right. A cylinder has two plane surfaces, two circles, one curved surface, right? Two curved edges without any vertices. This is also right. A sphere has two curved surfaces. This is wrong. That sphere has one curved surface. Hmm. Make the solid shape with their network. Cube. This is cube. Network of cube. Next, triangular pyramid. This is triangular pyramid. Triangular prism. Triangular prism. This is triangular prism. This is triangular. This is triangular pyramid. This is triangular pyramid. Triangular triangular pyramid 2. Triangular prism, right? Triangular prism. Square base pyramid. Square base pyramid. Square base pyramid. This is square base pyramid. Next, fifth one, cuboid. Cuboid is in one. Cuboid. Cuboid means fifth one. Fifth one. This is fifth one. Fifth one. Next, sixth one is tetrahedron or equilateral triangular based pyramid. Tetrahedron, equilateral base pyramid. Equilateral base pyramid. Triangular base prism. Okay, right. Sixth one. This is sixth one. This is second one. Right. In this video, this much. For more videos, subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching.